My name is Brooke, and my husband and I live in Stillwater with our son Cade. And we've lived here for about 6 years, and we just built the new house. It took us almost about 2 years, and we just moved in this March 2016. We have a son at home, Cade, and he's 12. And then we have a daughter, Taylor, who's 26 and is married. And we have 2 grandchildren. That made a huge difference in whether or not we decided to build a pool for our family. We wanted a pool that everyone could enjoy. That's the reason we built kind of a multi-level pool, so there was an aspect for every part of our family to enjoy it. How we came to find Cavernous was we had some neighbors that they had done their pool, and they had referred us to Cavernous, and we went and saw their pool and loved everything about it. And actually, whenever I started looking and we were building the house, and I was looking on the House app, and every pool that we liked, everything that we had seen on there was a Cavernous pool. So that kind of nailed our decision on who